The beauty industry in Kenya continues to grow as more people invest in personal grooming, skincare, makeup, hairdressing, barbering, nail technology, and beauty therapy. This growing demand has created an excellent opportunity for entrepreneurs who want to train the next generation of beauty professionals. Starting a beauty academy is not only a business opportunity, but also a chance to create employment, improve skills, and help young people build successful careers. If you have experience in the beauty industry and enjoy teaching others, opening a beauty academy can become a rewarding long-term investment. The first step is to understand the market you want to serve. Spend time researching your area to determine how many beauty colleges already exist and what courses they offer. Find out which skills are in the highest demand. Many students are looking for training in professional hairdressing, barbering, makeup artistry, beauty therapy, nail technology, skincare, lash extensions, and salon management. Talk to salon owners and beauty professionals to understand the skills they expect from graduates. This information will help you design courses that meet current industry needs instead of teaching outdated techniques. Prepare a detailed business plan before investing your money. Your business plan should explain your vision, target students, expected expenses, pricing strategy, marketing plan, and financial projections. Decide whether your academy will focus on beginners, professionals seeking advanced training, or both. A good business plan also helps when applying for business loans or seeking investors. Choose a suitable location for your academy. The premises should be easy to reach using public transport and should have enough space for classrooms, practical training rooms, offices, washrooms, and storage. Good lighting, proper ventilation, reliable electricity, clean water, and internet access make learning more comfortable. Students also appreciate safe environments where they can concentrate on their training. Register your business before opening your doors. Depending on your preferred business structure, you can register a business name or a limited company through the relevant government processes. You will also need a Kenya Revenue Authority personal identification number for tax purposes and the required county business permits before beginning operations. Operating legally builds trust among students and parents. If you intend to operate as a formal technical and vocational training institution that awards recognized qualifications, you should meet the registration and licensing requirements of the Technical and Vocational Education and Training Authority. Private institutions normally go through an application process that includes obtaining a letter of no objection, submitting an online application, inspection of facilities, and licensing before offering approved programs. This ensures your academy meets the required education and training standards. Invest in quality equipment because beauty training is highly practical. Students should learn using tools that closely match what they will use in real salons. Purchase professional styling chairs, salon mirrors, shampoo units, dryers, hair steamers, manicure tables, pedicure stations, massage beds, makeup stations, sterilizers, beauty trolleys, training mannequins, scissors, clippers, brushes, combs, skincare equipment, towels, and cleaning supplies. Well-maintained equipment improves learning and enhances your academy's reputation. Create a realistic budget before purchasing equipment. A small academy may require between about 500,000 Kenyan shillings and 1,500,000 Kenyan shillings, depending on the location, renovation costs, furniture, equipment, and licensing requirements. A larger institution offering multiple courses can require several million Kenyan shillings. Avoid spending all your money on expensive decorations while neglecting quality training materials. Develop a curriculum that prepares students for real work. Your lessons should balance theory with practical training. Students should learn customer care, hygiene, workplace safety, communication skills, product knowledge, marketing, financial management, and entrepreneurship alongside beauty techniques. Many graduates eventually open their own salons, so business skills are just as important as technical skills. Hire experienced trainers who have both practical industry experience and teaching ability. A great stylist does not automatically become a great instructor. Your trainers should be patient, professional, and able to explain techniques clearly. Encourage them to attend refresher courses so they stay updated with new beauty trends, products, and technologies. Build strong relationships with suppliers of beauty products and equipment. Reliable suppliers can offer discounts, product demonstrations, and training on new products. Buying directly from trusted distributors also reduces the risk of using counterfeit beauty products, which can damage your academy's reputation. Offer flexible learning options to attract more students. Some learners prefer full-time courses, while others can only attend evening or weekend classes because they work during the day. Short professional courses can also attract salon owners who want to improve their skills without leaving work for long periods. Set competitive tuition fees that reflect the quality of your training. Avoid charging extremely low fees simply to attract students, because this can make it difficult to maintain quality. At the same time, ensure your prices remain affordable for your target market. Consider allowing students to pay in installments to make your courses accessible to more people. Practical experience is one of the biggest advantages you can give your students. If possible, establish a training salon where members of the public receive beauty services at affordable prices, while students practice under supervision. This helps learners gain confidence before graduation, while generating extra income for the academy. Marketing your academy should begin before opening. Build a professional website and create active social media pages showing your facilities, instructors, student work, and success stories. Share educational beauty tips, before and after transformations, graduation ceremonies, and testimonials from former students. Encourage satisfied graduates to recommend your academy to friends and family, because word of mouth remains one of the most powerful forms of marketing. Partner with salons, spas, hotels, cosmetic companies, and wellness centers. These partnerships can provide internship opportunities and improve employment prospects for your graduates. Employers are more likely to hire students who already have practical workplace experience. Technology should also become part of your academy. Use presentation software, instructional videos, online assignments, digital attendance systems, and communication platforms to improve learning. Some students may even benefit from online theory lessons combined with physical practical sessions. Customer service should always remain a priority. Treat every student with respect and professionalism. Respond quickly to inquiries. Maintain clean facilities, communicate clearly, and resolve complaints fairly. Happy students become your best ambassadors and help attract future enrollments. As your academy grows, continue improving your programs. Introduce advanced courses such as permanent makeup, advanced skincare, hair coloring, bridal makeup, beauty photography, salon management, and beauty business marketing. Expanding your course offering increases your income while meeting changing market demands. Keep accurate financial records from the first day of operation. Track your income, expenses, payroll, taxes, maintenance costs, and equipment purchases. Good financial management helps you understand whether your academy is profitable and supports better business decisions. Success will not happen overnight. Building a respected beauty academy requires patience, consistency, and a commitment to quality education. Focus on producing graduates who are skilled, confident, ethical, and ready for employment or self-employment. When your students succeed in salons, spas, hotels, television studios, fashion events, and their own businesses, your academy's reputation will continue to grow. With proper planning, legal compliance, qualified trainers, modern equipment, and excellent customer service, a beauty academy in Kenya can become a profitable business while making a lasting impact on the lives of many aspiring beauty professionals.